Good day everyone. Today, I'll be discussing genetically modified organism or GMOs. To start, what are exactly are GMOs? In simple terms, GMOs are living things like plants, animals, or microorganisms. Those DNA has been changed using scientific techniques. For example, a plant might be modified so it can resist pests, survive harsh weather, or contain more nutrients. Instead of waiting many generations through traditional breeding, scientists can direct insert specific traits into a organism. Now, let's take a quick look at the history of GMOs. The concept of genetic modification began in 1970s when scientists discovered how to transfer gene from one organism to another. In 1973, they successfully created the first genetically modified bacteria, which has a major scientific breakthrough. As research progressed, scientists began applying this technology to agriculture. By the 1990s, GMO crops were introduced. In 1994, the first GMO food, the Savor tomato, was sold to the public. Since then, GMO technology has continued to grow and is now widely used in many parts of the world. Next, let's talk about the safety of GMOs. Many scientist studies have been conducted to evaluate their safety, and overall, GMOs are considered safe to eat. Organizations like the World Health Organization had started to approve GMO foods are just as safe as non-GMO foods. However, it's important to understand that each GMO product goes through strict testing and evaluation before it is released to the public. This helps ensure that it does not pose risk to human health or the environment. Now, let's look at some examples of GMO products. One example is BT corn, which has been modified to produce a protein that protects it from insect pests. Another example is golden rice, which has been enriched with vitamin A to help address nutrients deficiencies, especially in developing countries. There are also Roundup Ready soybeans, which are designed to tolerate certain herbicides, making it easier for farmers to control weeds. These products are already being used to agriculture today. Moving on to the applications of GMOs. GMOs are used in different fields and have many benefits. In agriculture, they help farmers increase crop products, reduce losses from pests, and grow food even in challenging conditions like drought. In medicine, GMO are used to produce important substances such as insulin, vaccines, and other treatment that saves lives. In environmental science, GMOs can be used for bioremediation, which can mean using plant or microorganisms to clean up polluted environments. And lastly, let's discuss the risks and controversies surrounding GMOs. Despite their advantage, some people are concerned about possible long-term health effects, even though current research shows they are safe. Others worry about environmental impact, such as possible of reduced biodiversity of the development of superweeds. There are also ethical concerns about modifying living organisms, as well as economic issues like large companies having control over GMO seeds and how they are distributed. To conclude, GMOs are important scientific innovation that offers many benefits, especially in improving food production, supporting medicine, and helping the environment. However, it is important to continue researching, monitoring, and regulating their use to make sure they remain safe and beneficial for everyone. Thank you for listening and goodbye.